Hi, this is Rajesh. Welcome to Infotech. Today we are going to see how to use your phone as Wi-Fi repeater. It means from the same Wi-Fi network you are going to create a hotspot network. Let's get started. First open Play Store and search for Netshare. Here I have already installed this application. So open it. This application is installed without root. Now open the application. You can see share internet connections. Enable it. Here you can see I have already connected to my local network home. From that connection it is going to generate a new hotspot network. Now in the other device I have the same application installed. You can see that I am connected to the other network. Now I am going to connect the hotspot which I have generated from my other device. In the other device you can see that the Wi-Fi network which I have generated from my other phone. So connect it to by using the password, network password. It shows that there is no internet connection. So now open the application. Then your status was updated to connected. Now let's check whether it is working or not. See, it is working. You can also edit settings by the edit option. You can also connect to the other devices by using these proxy settings. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.